Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to enable and use the Steam overlay in your games, so you can easily access chat, the store, and other features without leaving your gameplay. If you want to use the Steam overlay while playing, first open your Steam client and go to the Steam menu at the top left corner, then select Settings. In the Settings window, navigate to the In-Game tab and make sure the Enable the Steam Overlay While in-Game option is checked. This allows you to access the overlay for features like chat, browsing the store, or taking screenshots while playing. You can also manage the overlay settings for individual games. Open your library, find the game you want, and click on Properties. Under the General tab, you'll see a checkbox labeled Enable the Steam Overlay While in-Game. Checking or unchecking this box will enable or disable the overlay specifically for that game, which is useful if certain games have performance issues with the overlay on. The Steam overlay can be opened in-game using a keyboard shortcut. By default, this is Shift plus Tab. If you want to change it, go back to Steam, Settings, In-Game, and you'll see an option to customize the overlay shortcut key. Make sure it's set to something convenient so you can access your friends, notifications, and other Steam features quickly while gaming. Once enabled, the Steam overlay lets you chat with friends, join groups, browse the store, and take screenshots without leaving your game, making your gaming experience smoother and more convenient. That's it for today's tutorial. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more gaming tips and guides. See you in the next video.